Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tools YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to show what is inside 3D animation block set of MATLAB Simulink. So let's start today's video. So at first, we will go to library browser. Then we have to click on this library icon here. We will scroll down. And here is our Simulink 3D animation block. Click on here. You can see there are two options, simulation 3D and virtual reality. So at first, double click on simulation 3D and here are several blocks. First one is actor, then environment, then sensors, and then utilities. Double click on actors. So here we have three block sets. First one is simulation 3D actor, second one is simulation 3D bicyclist, third one is simulation 3D pedestrian, and fourth one is simulation 3D vehicle with ground following. Then we have environment. Press on environment and here you can see just a single block. That one is simulation 3D scene configuration. Then we have sensors. Press on sensors. So here we can see that we have simulation 3D camera, simulation 3D fisheye camera, simulation 3D leader, simulation 3D radar data generator, simulation 3D ray tracer, and then simulation 3D ultrasonic array. Last one is simulation 3D ultrasonic sensor. Then we have utilities. In utilities, we have simulation 3D actor transform get, simulation 3D actor transform set, simulation 3D camera get. So all of these actors, environment, sensors and utilities, all of them are in simulation 3D. Then we have virtual reality. So in virtual reality, we have utilities, example, joystick input, space mouse input, VR placeholder, VR rigid body tree, VR signal expander, VR sync, VR source, VR text output, VR to video, VR tracer. Then we will go to utilities, double click on utility, and here you can see cross product, MATLAB to VR coordinates, normalize vector, normalize vector, rotation between two vectors, rotation matrix to VR rotation, viewpoint direction, VR rotation to rotation matrix, VR to MATLAB coordinates. So these are our Simulink 3D animation. So all of them are inside virtual reality block. So that's it for today's video. If you guys liked this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Further in future, I will come with more good videos. Thanks for joining us.